We actually built an identity around a story that we cultivated from years ago.
Yeah.
So if you create an identity, your identity creates your reality. You have to take an attitude and be like, if they're not going to follow me to success, I'm not going to follow them to failure. It's either one or the other. The more you talk about doing something, the more energy you take from the action of doing it. You can either tell people your plans or show them your results, but you cannot do both consistently. Always stay open, stay humble. You're like in a valley. You're in a valley walking, navigating life. God is on the top of the mountain. Like, hey, go this way. No, go this way. No, you got to, okay, I'm telling you, I know you want to go this way, but your salvation, your happiness, your joy is that way. Trust me, have faith in me. Why would I lie to you? I'm you.